These sounds were recorded by this man, Ron Moorhead, and his friend Al Berry, who recorded the sounds in the early 1970s in Sierra Nevada while they were on a camping trip. What would you do if you heard these sounds coming from around your campsite? So these sounds have been studied relentlessly over the decades by academic professionals, professors, language interpreters, the lot. And it has been determined that this is an unknown creature using octaves not capable of being produced by a human, nor do they match any known animal whatsoever. So it's confirmed these are real sounds, with the source still to this day unidentified. Now, the sounds have been associated with Bigfoot and are basically labelled the Sierra Nevada Bigfoot, Sasquatch sounds, whatever. But it's extremely interesting to explore the other theories that some people have. Reading the comments from part 1 and 2 really got me thinking, and even more terrified of the possible mysterious sources of all of these missing persons cases referenced from the Missing 411. Go check out the other parts. So in my previous video, I talked about the Fuzzy Man. That genuinely does seem to tie into the whole Missing 411 and the Sierra Nevada recordings. Now, the most interesting part of this has to be the theories. Some people are suggesting it's an interdimensional rip. It could be some kind of time warp. A human potentially capable of invisibility, an entirely different evolved species of human, the Fae, like the list is endless, and the possibilities as well. It's just all so confusing. There is still so much yet to be discovered about this world, and the Missing 411, the Sierra Nevada sounds, and this Fuzzy Man are a huge part of that.